We believe that there are four forces that in of themselves are very powerful to contribute to this change. First is cloud, and we'll talk, some of my colleagues will talk in greater detail about that later on, but obviously cloud has a transformational impact because it's about the industrialization of IT, but also about the capability of delivering new business models. Secondly is social. The fact that 1.2 billion people now are on at least one social network, which is a substantial part of the world population. We believe the next phase is about integration of social environments into enterprise systems. And so we expect to see substantial change in enterprise systems as a result of that. Third is the importance of information. Information clearly has been important since the birth of the IT industry, but it has been retrospective. It has been about what happened or consolidation of what happened, like financial systems. We think the change now is about what will happen, the anticipation of what the business needs to do, and therefore being much more impactful in its change. It forces new tools, new ways of looking at information. It relegates the centralized approach to information as legacy, because it is about democratization of information so that we can use it effectively to take business decisions. We have called this pattern-based architectures, because it is really about deploying technologies that seek information about what's happening in the future, then model it. This is where all the analytics and big data is focused, but then use it to actually change business processes, so really integrate into the existing corporate systems, or what we've called systems of record or systems of differentiation. The third trend is about this change that's happening with mobile. And for that, I think it's important that we use a few slides that sort of summarize some of these changes. But overall, we call this, the combination is a nexus. It's really the next stage of computing. It kills the architectures of the present, and it requires people to reimagine the way that they use technology.